summer is over in a flash and you're on your way.
Hi guys, it's like the well, it's changing here today. So another parcel's turned up. We've got, I opened that one before, we've got the discs to finish off the job hopefully, or at least make a good start on the job to the start we've already made. And then this, now this, I'm not too sure what's in it. I've got a good feeling what's in it. Let's open it. Like that the scissors have gone missing, I've got a knife. Right, let's see what's in here. It's a bit like sort of badly packed, that's for sure. Right, let's put it down there. Safety first, put away from yourself. Completely make a hash of that. And there. Just the top there. There we go. Oh, I know what it is now. So, along with the 374 group, we decided that needs to go in the bus file. Why? Oh, fuck it. There we go. Why the buses are off the road because of COVID-19 and everything else that's going on. Right. We need a way to keep the buses charged up. And the way that's easiest to keep the buses charged up is with a battery charger. Now this is the 24 volt, 12 to 24 volt, so it's got two outputs on it. Obviously buses run on a 24 volt system, but this we can use to also just charge up one battery if we need to. So it's a simple thing. We've got spare fuses like that. We've got the ratings obviously of what they can do. The knobs for the front, the leads, the actual charger itself. Now the black one is in permanently, so all we'll do is we'll attach this bad boy to the 24 volt one, which is that one, if I believe right. Yep, 24 volt, and then it's 30 amp fuse. Turn it on, and that will keep 7176's batteries charged as we use them to power the lights inside if Kean who works inside, and to power the stereo. So that is not bad. The only thing we can't do is we can't attempt to start the vehicle with this because this will just go, no, not happening. So we'll set this up at the bus when we're next up there, and we'll show you that as well. But obviously we use these all the time in the shed. We've got quite a few. It's just that we've decided that we're going to get this one for ourselves, so we don't have to keep chasing people round looking for the battery charger. So really quick and good. This was from Motor Nuts. This was. So recommended, quite cheap. It was £55, and obviously we shared the cost out between two groups, so it's not too bad. So sorted. And obviously this has a the amp meter to show the start. All insulated metal clips, so you can't really touch them. Steel case, fast and boost, so you can fast charge it or just boost. And then min is like a trickle charge, and it's also got reverse polarity protection, so if someone went and plugged them the wrong way round, this would stop it from damaging your batteries and itself, hopefully. So sorted. Another thing down.
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I will